Okay. Well, so tell me about nature. Are you interested in nature and do you do anything to protect nature?
Hmm. Oh yes, of course. I'm interested in nature,
Yeah.
and hmm,
So, and how do you protect?
uh,
How do you try to protect the
uh,
environment?
mm, uh, try to not to use
Maybe the first one,
uh,
don't make lots of waste.
paper glass,
Yeah, of
the
course.
paper cup. Yeah, chopstick,
Yeah,
wood chopstick. Yeah.
of course.
Uh,
So, let
so
me,
in
yeah, and
yeah, in Japan and in Vietnam, we use a lot of paper products
paper
and
product.
plastic product. Yeah, and plastic product. So I try
Oh,
not to
plastic.
use it. Yeah,
Yeah, of course. So you use
yeah,
plastic or use plastic a
yeah,
lot?
plastic.
Oh, so I think it's,
Yeah, yes, right. In especially in Vietnam and in Japan, we use a lot
yeah.
of plastic. Yeah,
Oh, so I think, yeah, I think, plastic, I think the first danger for the environment is
yeah,
plastic. So of course, so maybe,
yeah,
yeah. W- so why do you use? So it's something like because actually nowadays, especially governments try to uh increase people awareness about environmental issues, so not to use maybe plastic and try to use organic products, and for example don't make waste. So why still people use lots of plastic despite being aware of the danger of plastic for the nature,
yeah.
you think?
Uh yes, because it's
Yeah,
convenient and convenient.
it's convenient, of course.
Yes, I think so. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah, it's convenient. Yeah, of
yeah.
course. Yeah,
Convenient. In Ho Chi Minh City,
yeah,
there are a lot of people. They order food.
yeah, of
They order
course.
food, and yes, the shipper make delivery to them. And every day they will use a lot of plastic container.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Yeah,
So let's
food
actually,
container.
yeah. So let's talk about
Mm.
maybe the way that we damage the environment. So as you said, of course,
Yes.
we use lots of plastic every day. So another one that I think
Yeah.
that is really because you mentioned paper, and that's really important. So deforestation, just let me share my screen so that you can see the board. Okay,
Yeah.
classroom. Okay. Wow. Now here. Okay, so the first damage for the environment, how we damage the environment is deforestation. And what it means to cut trees, cutting down trees in
Okay.
order to make
Yeah.
some wooden product. It can be paper or some other wooden product. So deforestation means cutting down trees. So of course it's really,
Yeah.
so we are damaging, we are destroying nature, forests, jungles, okay, because we're gonna make some wooden products, some, for example, paper.
Yeah.
So this is the first important maybe issue that we're facing nowadays, okay, and we need to do something in order to protect environment. The second one is poaching, killing endangered animals illegally, normally for their, I don't know, skin, fur, or so poaching, that is killing endangered. Oh, I was typing.
Mm.
So this one, poaching, killing endangered animals. So of course, when we say, do you know the meaning of endangered animal?
Endangered animal. So, yeah.
Of
Yes.
course. So,
Like,
yeah,
yes.
endangered. Yeah, as you know, maybe plants and animals that are not actually maybe doing where maybe actually this is uh the last actually maybe we can say group or type of these animals. So we say they are
Yeah.
endangered animals. So of course they kill and not for eating. So this actually
Yeah.
poaching is, or yeah, of course, you know that most of people kill animals illegally, I don't know, in order to use their fur or skin or something like this. So
Yeah.
here we have another actually danger. So we are making trouble. We are actually making or damaging the nature and environment this way. Okay, well, so tell me, do you have the same thing in Vietnam, for example, or do government conserve and protect endangered animals? Because
Yeah.
as you know, just a few of their kinds left. So we don't have
Mm.
lots of these animals.
Yeah.
Maybe yeah, they are in danger of becoming
Yeah.
extinct.
Sometimes, yeah, yeah. There are many. Sometimes I read a news that people some they kill elephant.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, because they want to use the how say the white. Mm, uh, yes, they use the part of no
What? Skin, you mean?
um no not skin but this
So
yeah
what? What?
white white color
So you mean
white color
you
of
mean okay, you mean
elephant.
ivory? You mean ivory?
Agree. Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, of course. Okay, yeah,
Yes.
you mean ivory.
Ivory. Oh
Yeah,
yes, ivory.
ivories.
Yeah,
Okay, human ivories. Yeah. Yeah,
ivory.
of
Yeah.
course, because yeah, I know that. Yeah, I heard some news about it, of course, and I know that because they're costly, expensive, and people make
Yeah,
lots of, yeah,
expensive.
of course, money by maybe,
Yeah.
yeah, of course, killing and of course selling your ivories. I know, I heard something about it.
Yeah.
Well, okay, so just we for news we definitely don't use a, because we say some news. News is not countable, so we don't say a news. So just some news if you want to. use
Some
news.
news.
Yeah,
Oh,
of course, or
yeah,
a piece of news. If you want to use a piece of news, so that's really important not to use a
yeah,
because it's not singular. Yeah, okay. And yeah, of course. And we have another actually, another issue that human actually is, we can say, is causing this issue, and that is illegal dumping. So illegal dumping, what
yeah,
it means, of course, we
yeah,
put waste into a landfill. Actually, the sea, for example, you see sometimes in some videos, oh, we see that, I don't know, they put lots of waste like plastic or other things into the sea illegally without permission.
yeah,
Of
yeah,
course, so
yeah,
illegal dumping means putting waste into a landfill,
mm,
or for example the sea, without
yeah,
permission.
uh, yeah,
There's another one, we see that, for example, I don't know, the oil and something like this, some other waste, especially in some industries, they produce something and then they left their waste into nature and just put their waste into the ocean, and they make
yeah,
water polluted. So they, and it
yeah,
caused, yeah, that lots of actually species are killed or die. And of course, we, it's something like that. We are in this way, step by step, like, it's a chain that we are damaging and destroying nature. So these three actually these three ways are the ways that we damage the environments. Okay, now let's get started with the topic of today, the planet. So here, environmental problem, of course. The first one, pollution, global warming. So do you know the meaning of global warming, climate change, and
yeah,
global warming? Yeah, of course you know.
yeah,
So actually, the
yeah,
most important issue is global warming. The Earth is getting warmer and
wow,
warmer, and
yeah,
of course,
yeah,
ice in North and South Pole maybe will
yeah,
melt in the future, so that we can say that a lot of areas actually in the future, maybe by, I don't know, maybe 30 years later, okay, they will be under the water. So because it's getting warm, so climate actually, we have climate change, storms,
yes,
typhoon, so, and all these actually natural disasters. So we have natural
that's
disasters,
wrong.
like for
Yeah,
example flood, like for example storm,
yeah,
hurricane. Okay, so all them actually are caused by climate change and global warming.
yeah,
Yeah. So what do you think about global warming? And tell me, if your governments in your country, if, I don't know, they uh, have taken an action to protect and, I don't know, to increase public awareness in order to protect the environment and avoid these dangers.
yeah. Hmm. Um, the government, of the government. Actually, I don't know well about the government uh, policy, but
Yeah,
for the company,
of course.
some big company ask their customer use s- sustainability
Ah,
and energy.
sustainable. Yeah,
So
that's great. Of course.
sustainable, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. So our company, my company, the
yeah,
what's that? We have many plans to
yeah,
change the material
of
friendly
course.
with global to, ch- to friendly with the earth, and
So
of course
eco-friendly,
we
you
have
mean? Eco-friendly.
eco-friendly, yeah,
Yeah,
eco-friendly, yeah.
of
Yeah.
course.
We have to use some reuse reuse energy.
Yeah, of course. Very good.
Yeah, so we have many plans to cut off the CO2
Yeah.
consumption. Yeah,
Yeah, very good, very good. So maybe, of course, as you mentioned, that was really good. Overuse of non-renewable resources like oil, like gas, of course, is a really important danger and it's a big threat for the nature.
yeah,
So
yeah,
we can use, as you said, sustainable energy can be a really good choice using the use of
yeah.
sustainable energy, like, for
Sustainable
example, wind,
energy. Yeah,
like sun, okay? And,
yeah,
of
wind.
course,
Yeah,
yeah,
right.
because non-renewable energy one day will be over. Oil will be over, gas will be
Yeah,
over, okay? So we
oh,
need to save
yeah,
them. Non-renewable, actually the energy that can't be
yeah,
produced. So something like fossil fuels.
yeah.
So we can't make them again. Yeah, of course. You're right. And that was really good answer. Okay, population. Oh, so we have, especially in some cities, overpopulation, overpopulated areas.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what do you think? Actually, it caused different problems because, they make waste, they use energy. So what do you think about it?
Now, the popular population increase basically happen in in poor country, right? So the the so the country policy on the law, the gov the law or the uh,
So, yeah, of course, maybe
so
governments should train
maybe
people.
government.
Yeah, should train people,
Yeah,
should increase people awareness so that people
yeah,
actually be wary of. We should be wary of. We
yeah,
should be careful. We should be
yeah,
cautious with maybe the
yeah,
result of overpopulation. So,
population.
let me write this one. To be wary of. So we have a phrase here. To be wary of means to be
Yeah,
careful and
careful.
cautious.
Yeah,
Cautious means aware with,
yeah,
for example,
which
something. Yeah. We need to do our bit to play our part, to play our part, to protect, to contribute,
Yeah.
to do our bit, to do our bit, maybe a little, but do. So why not? So population, another actually issue, maybe another important issue that we
Yeah.
face. And okay, so another word here. So maybe another Amazon, you know, that's actually rain for forest, tropical forest, rainforest, and you know, especially Amazon, that is a really good example. That you know
Yeah.
that there are some rare, you know that there are some rare and we can say unique species of animals, so we've never
Yeah.
heard about them. We've never, so actually they still are discovering, scientists still actually discovering
Yeah.
these these kinds of animals. So we need to protect. But how to protect? The first one may be deforestation. We need to do something about logging industry. Logging industry, the industry of cutting down trees. As I told you, deforestation. You know, so they cut down trees and they make something, you know, some wooden products. So logging industry actually is the most important, the most significant cause of actually damaging
Sorry.
rainforest jungles.
Sorry.
Yes.
So sorry.
Yeah.
Can the company call me? So
Of
please,
course, yes. Oh, let's do
just a moment.
something.
Sorry.
I
Sorry.
stop and call you again because we have, it's
Sorry.
better. Yeah, I stop the call and call you again. It's better after 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, don't be sorry.